Thinking of trying Rosabella Organic Beetroot Capsules but not sure if they're worth the hype? You're not alone. With so many supplements making bold claims, it's easy to feel skeptical, and that's exactly why I decided to take a closer look. Each serving of Rosabella packs 1,300 milligrams of organic beetroot powder, promising natural energy, improved stamina, and better heart health, all without caffeine or stimulants. That's a big plus for those trying to avoid artificial energy boosters or jittery side effects. The capsules are easy to swallow, have no aftertaste, and are especially appealing for anyone who hates the strong, earthy taste of raw beets. On paper, the product checks a lot of boxes. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, lab-tested, and GMP certified, which shows a level of commitment to quality and safety. But here's the real question: do they actually work? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. Some users have reported a mild but noticeable increase in energy and endurance after a couple of weeks, especially when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. They feel less tired, more consistent during workouts, and even say they recover faster. Others, however, didn't notice any major difference and felt like they were just taking another daily capsule with no real payoff. So, while the ingredients are solid and the product seems legit, the results vary from person to person. It's definitely not a miracle pill, and if you're expecting it to transform your health overnight, you might walk away disappointed. But if you're looking for a clean, natural supplement to support your wellness routine and already live a relative lifestyle, it might be a helpful addition. Bottom line, Rosabella Beetroot Capsules are not a scam, but they're not some magic fix either. They're more like a natural boost that may or may not click with your body. Let me know in the comments if you've tried them and what kind of results you've seen. Your experience might help someone else decide.